I'm just going to do a quick explanation how to check if my waist of my pattern is going to fit my waist. So what I do, if this is my center front and this is my front pattern, I measure from center front to the dart, moving it along, excluding the dart, moving it along, excluding the, just to that point. I write that down. I do exactly on the back, from the center back, excluding the dart, to there, excluding the dart, and to there. Multiply it by 2, and that will be my waist of my pattern, because when we do patterns we only do half the body shape, so you have to multiply it by 2 to get your whole waist measurement. Then if your waist is bigger than the pattern waist, you subtract the 2, take that amount and divide it by 4, because we've got 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that we're going to add that on. So we divide it by 4, and what I've got here is 5.5 centimeters for this body. So I just move that along and add that to my side seam on my back and the same on my front, and then I just move it in to the 3rd dot. So just out there all the way to the 3rd dot. If you need more on the hips where it's bigger, then you can go lower, but usually I find if you just do it to the 3rd dot, it works out perfectly. Now for some or other reason, when I did this pattern for this shape that I'm working with, that's my crotch of the back, that from that dot to that dot is always perfectly straight, so you have to have that straight. And when I did this dot, it came out quite crooked. So what I did is I added my amount that I needed on my waist, and then I actually matched my 2 side seams to see if they're the same length and if they look similar. So yep, it goes to about there, so I made that too high, so my line should actually go from there. That will be my line of my waist when I do that pattern. Okay, so we've checked our waist.